Hi guys, welcome back to Targets Trading. In this video, we are going to discuss regarding the best apps and website which are used for intraday trading. So firstly, we will discuss regarding the best website which we will be using for trading. Let us not wait much and let us begin with the video, guys. Okay, firstly, we will be using ET Markets. Okay, this is the website which we will be using for trading. Okay, as you can see, you can already see what are the website which are trending as of today. Okay, and guys, the main website which we are going to use is nseindia.com. This is the main website which we'll be using, and ET Markets, the second website. And let us see which is the best app which we will be using for the studies to trade. Okay, Money Control, guys. This is none other than Money Control. This is the app which we will be using for the studies, market studies for trading, guys. So in this app, you can as you can see here, you will get top gainers, losers, and the stocks which are active by value and other active by volume, the stocks which have made 52-week high, and the stocks which are at trading low. So these informations will be given in this website, and there are many other information in this, like Indian indices, global markets, market movers, everything are here. And we usually will be using markets. I'm sorry for that. Okay, so see here, if you go here, you can see everything. What is the news, my news, stocks, opinions, everything, guys, in this app. So, and for the platform apps which I use is one, I use Zerodha, as so many of the people use, and Upstock. These are the two apps which I will be using for trading, guys, because these are the apps which I find are user friendly and can be traded well. Okay, one, you can buy the stock easily here like this and sell the stock very easily here, and you can see the charts, orders, everything, most of the stuff very easily, guys. Overview, depth, charts, everything in this Upstocks and in Kite as well. See, yes, Tech Mahindra. Here you can buy charts, and you can see this is the latest features which has been given by Zerodha. You can see the chart easily, and the studies, the formula, the indicators which we will be using, everything, guys. Okay, as you can see here about the today's Tech Mahindra, we traded in Tech Mahindra today, and it has already done well for us for the day. And thank you for watching this video, guys. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, guys.